What's happening with the NSF grants? You come up with anything?
No, nothing.
Why don't they put the sauces into the coffee cups anymore?
Leo, what do you need sauces on your coffee mugs for?
It forms rings all over the table. Everywhere you put it, forms a ring.
Well, I mean, does it always form a ring? Why should I expect it to form? I mean, could it form a triangle? I mean, why?
See, this should be a research topic.
Yeah.
I'm serious. I think this could be a good topic.
What, just spilling things? I mean, what's the physics about?
It's about nothing.
I mean, no premise?
No, forget the premise.
Well, you gotta have a premise.
Who says you gotta have a premise? Remember the time we went to the beach and made a sandcastle? That's a research topic.
So you're saying that I go into the NSF and I tell them what? I want to study the physics of nothing?
We go to the NSF.
We? Since when are you an experimentalist?
That's what we're talking about sand.
Well, I mean, so you want to go with me to the NSF?
Yeah, that's right. I think we really got something here.
What do we got?
An idea.
What idea?
An idea with funding.
I still don't know what the idea is.
It's about nothing.
Right.
Everybody's doing something. We'll do nothing.
So you're saying, now, let me get this straight. I mean, we could go to the NSF and tell them what to study physics about nothing.
Exactly.
And they ask, what are your experiments on, and tell them nothing.
There you go.
Well, I think you may be onto something here. No, Wendy. I mean, Leo was showing it to me. Every time it dries, it forms a ring. I don't know why it does that.
You know what you gotta do? You gotta pick yourself up one of those nifty JFI coffee mugs. It's only $15. Physics with bank smile and everything.
I mean, no, Heinrich, it's not just a leaky mug. It's my idea for the physics of stuff.
Yeah. Physics of stuff. Cool, Sid. You know what would be really cool? Research topic.
No.
I just got a 3D printer. What if I had a 3D printer that could print?
I mean, can the little printers that the printer prints print printers?
Oh my God, I never thought of that before.
Hello, Nagel.
Kazenko. What gives?
I was talking to Leo earlier. He mentioned something about a new research topic, far from equilibrium.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I don't know if you know this, but I have a grad student working on that who's running low on funding.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Well, I hear it's an interesting research topic with a lot of beautiful physics to discover.
I guess. So your grad student went...
He's been surviving on colloquium cookies for the past 2 years. Given the funding he so needs. But alas, I'm but a simple theorist.
Gene, that's a shame.
Neil! Put me on the grant! I've got to!
But Echo, put yourself together, man. I mean, be professional. You're making me sick here.
All right! But hear me and hear me well. The day will come, oh yes, mark my words, Nagel. Your day of reckoning is coming, when an evil wind will blow through your little play world and wipe that smug smile off your face. And I'll be there, watching, in all my glory, as it all comes crumbling down.
Right, well, I mean, like I was saying, I mean, there's a lot of outstanding questions around system of Maxwell. I mean, so if I had a sphere and maybe I had another sphere and
May I?
okay.
I can sum up the research for you with one word. Nothing.
What do you mean?
The research is about nothing.
What? I mean, what? It's not research on nothing.
No, the research is about nothing.
But I mean, maybe philosophy, but you know, even nothing is something.
Well, what's the research in a nutshell?
Well, like I was saying, I mean, it's everyday sorts of physics, the physics of the breakfast table sorts of physics. I mean, it's the physics that you assume is explained and you take for granted.
So what about the experiments?
No experiments. What'd you have for breakfast today?
I had a coffee and bagels and cream cheese.
There's a thesis. That's a thesis.
Well, I mean, maybe you spilled some of that coffee, and when it would dry, I mean, when it would form these little rings, then you might think it would form something else.
No, nothing happened.
Oh, I mean, well, something happens.
So then why am I reading the paper about it then?
Because it's being funded. Okay, well, look. If you want to just keep on doing the same old thing, then maybe this idea is not for you. I, for one, am not going to compromise my scientific integrity. And I'll tell you something else. That's the physics, and we are not going to change it. Right?
How about this? Suppose I give you 200 decades about the glass transition.